Are your lungs healthy? Let's find out. When I say go, you've to hold your breath, and we will see how much healthy your lungs really are. So are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. If you can't reach at this stage, this means your arteries are clogged due to plaque. As early as possible, you should start doing exercise. If you've reached at this stage, that means your lungs are almost healthy, and you should start having a good diet. If you've reached at this stage, then congratulations. This indicates that your lungs are very healthy.